Hello viewers, welcome to Selastin Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your mobile as microphone for your PC or laptop. So come on, let's hop into the video. So first, download and install this Woomic client by just clicking the link in the description. And now, download the driver for this Woomic client by just clicking the second link which I provided in the description. So now, you have to download Woomic in your mobile. So come on, I'll show you how. So now, open Play Store in your mobile. Now, search for Woomic. And now you will see the best match for Woomic. Click that and install it in your device. So now open Woomic in your mobile. And now at the top right corner you can see settings icon. Just click that and here click transport. And now change it to Wi-Fi. And here at the top right corner you can see a small play button. Just click that and here you can see started. Please connect by Wi-Fi and your IP address. Remember this IP address, this is a lot important. And now open Woomic client. And here click on connection and press connect. And here select Wi-Fi. And here I told you to remember an IP address, right? Type that IP address here and click on connect. And that's it, it's connected, and I'll show you how to check that. When you click on connection, only this disconnect option will be available. This connect will not be available because it's already connected. So now you have to install the driver which you downloaded for your PC. For that, just open downloads and run this Woomic driver setup. And now select which OS is installed in your PC. So I have installed Windows 10 64-bit. So I am selecting that. And I'm going to click install. And now the small command has opened and closed itself, and it says that completed. Now click on close, and now I'm going to tell you how to check whether it's installed or not. So right click this PC, click on properties, and here you can see this device manager. Click that, and here you can see audio input and outputs. Expand that, and here you can see microphone Woomic device. And now I'll show you a small sample. I'm opening Audacity, and here I'm going to select microphone as Woomic device. And now I'm just clicking on record. Hello, mic testing, 1 2 3, hello. So this audio was recorded from my mobile. So now I'll just play it. Hello, mic testing, 1 2 3, hello. And one more thing guys, to connect this through Wi-Fi, you should have Wi-Fi connection at your home. So some may not have Wi-Fi connection. For those guys, you can even connect this through USB or Bluetooth. So to connect this via Bluetooth or USB, you just have to connect your mobile and your PC via USB cable. And after connecting, we have selected Wi-Fi in the mobile as well as in the PC, right? So there you have to select USB and then you have to press connect. So that's all. You can use your mobile's mic for your PC via USB. Okay friends, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon and press all so that you get the instant notifications of my uploads. So if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment down there. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Okay friends, Thank you for watching.